Welcome to US Window and Door. We specialize in replacement window and door installations and hire motivated, trained, hardworking employees to carry out these jobs. Replacement window and door installations come with a lifetime warranty. Better yet, the windows manufactured by Milgard require little to no maintenance. We will educate you through the no-hassle process with a free estimate and in-person consultation. And don't worry yourself with odd-shaped windows. We build custom windows and doors. We strive to be at the forefront of innovation with award-winning locks like the patented Milgard Smart Touch Lock, and continue this method through our other high-quality products as well as excellent customer service. We won't cut corners and will always focus on detail-oriented craftsmanship. The way we make this happen is without the use of subcontractors, but instead in-house and accountable employees. So this year, replace your windows worry-free with US Window and Door.